to Audio English Center System, ACE Education of the Heart. My name is Ray, and you can call me Mr. Jack. It's a lot easier for you to call me. This is Family and Friends for Unit 6, Day 1. So we are going to learn about some new vocabulary and some structures. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's begin with some quiz. Okay, are you ready? So in this part, there will be a question on the screen and you have to answer. You have to answer to choose the best option in these three options. Is it okay? Is it okay for you? Trong cái phần này á, phần quiz này sẽ là phần đố vui cho tụi con. Khi mà con trả lời đúng á, nhiều câu hỏi thì cứ gửi cho trung tâm hoặc là gửi cho thầy, thì thầy sẽ tổng hợp và thầy sẽ thưởng cho bạn nào có đáp án nhiều đáp án đúng nhất nha. Ok, và tụi con sẽ phải chọn ba cái đáp án này, chọn một trong những ba cái đáp án đúng nhất. Are you ready? Okay. Who always drives his customers away? Who always drives his customers away? First one, taxi driver. Second one, rider. And the last one, banker. Ten seconds to think of the answer. Okay, the time is up. Now, can you give me the right answer? The correct answer. Okay, let's see the answer. It's really simple. Yeah, it's taxi driver. Taxi driver. Let's move on to the next question. You have 10 seconds to think of the answer, okay? What has arms but cannot hop? What has arms but cannot hop? Something that has arms here, but cannot hop. Ta-da! Okay, the time is up. And now let's see the answer. The correct answer is armchair. Armchair. You can see here. You can see arm in the armchair, but an armchair cannot hug anyone. You see that? Thì con thấy cái armchair này có phần am trong cái chữ của nó, nhưng mà nó không thể ôm người được. Bingo! Very good. Good job, guys. So, next one.
Now it's time for vocabulary. Please repeat after me.
Is that okay? It's time to learn new vocabulary.
Now it's time for vocabulary. Please repeat after me.
Let's go. So be careful when you spell and when you read the word. Okay? Let's start. Repeat after me.
Break. Break. Break.
Okay, it's break. Break. Nhớ là br nhé. Break. Really good. Next one. How about this one? Let's see.
Repair. Repair. Repair.
Repair. Okay, remember repair. What does it mean? Cái từ nghĩa là sửa chữa ha, sửa chữa. Chứ không phải là cái anh chàng ở trên màn hình đâu nha. Tụi con đừng có tưởng nhầm nha. Okay, next one. So how about this one?
Comfortable. Comfortable. Comfortable.
Comfortable. Comfortable. Okay, remember it. Remember it. Comfortable. Comfortable. Some students will say, we read that comfortable, no. Comfortable, no. Comfortable, no. It's only comfortable. Comfortable. Okay, comfortable. That means thoải mái. Okay, really good. Next one. This one is easy, right?
Hard. Hard. Hard.
Okay. Hard. 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 Remember, hard. That means cứng. Okay, cứng. How about this one? Is it a bad? It's a bad. But the word that we are going to learn is not bad. But let's see.
Soft. Soft. Soft.
Okay, soft. Soft. Remember, FT. Soft. Okay, really good. Well done, boys and girls. This one. How about this one? This is really expensive, right? I can't buy this one of these ones.
Diamond. Diamond. Diamond.
Yes, diamond. Okay. It means kim cương. Okay, kim cương. So it's really expensive. This one. Now this one.
Cheap. Cheap. Cheap.
Okay, remember, cheap. Don't read that, don't speak like that. Cheap. It's a long E, okay? Cheap. Okay, really good. How about this one? Wow. It's an airport, right? Let's repeat.
Modern.
Okay.
Let's review all words.
Modern.
Come on, boys and girls.
So before we move to the next part, let's review all the words. Okay? One more time.
break,
break, break,
repair,
repair, repair,
comfortable,
comfortable, comfortable,
hard,
hard, hard,
Soft.
soft, soft,
Diamond.
diamond, diamond,
Cheap.
what is one? Cheap, cheap, what is one? Oh, the sweet girl doesn't read that. So what is it? It's a challenge for you. Is modern, modern, modern. Well done, boys and girls. Okay, let's move to the next part. Pick mindset.
Now we will move to the next part, pick mindset. In this part, there will be some changes among the pictures. When a picture changes, you will think of the word and tell me the word that disappears.
Rồi, trong cái phần này á thì con có nghe cái speaker nói không? Thì mình sẽ đọc tên những cái đồ vật mà nó sẽ có những cái thay đổi ở trong cái hình này. Thì thôi, tụi con được thấy cái đồ vật nào thay đổi thì tụi con sẽ đặt tên đồ vật đó lên. Tụi con sẽ có vài giây để suy nghĩ, some seconds to think of the answer. Okay? Let's start. What's this?
Repair.
Repair, repair, repair. How about this?
Modern.
Yes, modern, modern. Next one. What's that?
Hard.
Hard, hard. Con nhớ kiểu dài đó nha. What is one?
Break.
Yes, is break, break. Okay. This one. The thing is expensive.
Diamond.
Diamond. Okay. Diamond. Diamond. How about this one?
Cheap.
Is cheap. Cheap. Next one.
Comfortable.
Is comfortable. Comfortable. Remember, comfortable. 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 What is one? What is that?
Soft.
It's soft. 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 Those are those, those are okay. Don't worry. Well done.
Let's go to the next point in this lesson. We will learn how to use the comparative form and the superlative form of adjectives.
Okay. So as the speaker says, như là cái speaker, cái người đọc vừa nói về cái phần này thì có quality grammar, là mình học về cái ngữ pháp, cấu trúc ngữ pháp. Thì ở đây comparative form và superlative form là gì? Comparative form là cái thể so sánh hơn. Remember that. So sánh hơn. Và superlative form là cái so sánh nhất. Vậy mình sẽ cùng nhau tìm hiểu nha. Let's go. Here.
Adjectives with 2 or more syllables, we use more or less. Remember to put the in. And for the superlative form, we use the most and the least.
Okay. Như cái speaker đã nói, thì mình sẽ có adjectives.
Okay, after the focus, we need
Yes.
some easy examples so that you can understand it more.
Okay.
Let's see what we have.
Và sau cái phần
Now I
này,
ask you look at the pics and answer.
sau cái phần này thì sẽ có một số cái câu ví dụ để cho tụi con hiểu rõ. Thì trước tiên thầy sẽ giải thích về cái này ha. Adjectives with 2 or more syllables. Hai tính từ, những cái tính từ mà có hai âm tiết trở lên, hai âm tiết trở lên, thì mình với cấu trúc comparative form thì mình sẽ dùng more and less. We use more and less. More and less. Và với comparative form, cho dù là có là một syllable, một âm tiết đi chăng nữa thì mình vẫn sẽ có từ đó là gì? Than. Remember than here. Than. And với lại hai âm tiết trở lên thì mình sẽ dùng more, less, more cho cái việc so sánh hơn cái này hơn cái kia, còn less thì cái này là ít hơn cái kia, ok? Và với cấu trúc superlative form, the most and the least, có the most là đó cũng là so sánh nhất và the least là so sánh nhất. The most thì chỉ là so sánh nhất mà theo dạng như là nhiều, còn the least thì nó sẽ là ít nhất trong các cái được so sánh. Okay. Let's go to see some examples. Hãy đi xem những cái ví dụ nha. Ở đây, this one. Let's imagine. This car is more expensive than that car. This car is more expensive than that car. In here, you can see.
As you can see, there are 2 cars. One is on the left and one is on the right. The left one is $300,000, and the right one is $200,000. That means the car on the left is more expensive than the car on the right.
Okay, this one is $300,000, and this one is $200,000. So now this car is more expensive than that car. That car is here. You can see, right? Very good. Just write it down. Con ghi câu này xuống nha. Okay, next one. Let's compare. So in this case, we use less. We use less, okay? Less. Here. And here.
The most.
Okay, so this car, the car on the left is $200,000, and the car on the right is $300,000. So this is less expensive than that car. This car is here, and that car is here. Here, you can see. And we use less. Tại sao lại dùng less? Tại vì thầy đã nói là less là so những cái vật mà ít hơn. Vậy thì cái này nó ít đắt hơn cái này, cho nên nó sẽ là this car is less expensive than that car. Okay, understand? Really good. And
the most and the least.
The most and the least. Vậy bây giờ sẽ qua thể so sánh nhất. Vậy thì mình xem nha. Vậy thể so sánh nhất thì mình sẽ làm như thế nào? Okay.
There are 3 cars on the screen, and the yellow one has the highest price in those cars. So that means the yellow car is the most expensive one in these beautiful cars.
Okay, so the yellow car is the most expensive in those cars. Those cars là ba cái chiếc xe này, but the yellow car is this one. This one is the yellow car. Is the most expensive. The most expensive. Như thầy đã nói thì the most dùng cho so sánh nhất mà chúng ta phải có the nhé. The most expensive là cái đắt nhất. So as you can see, this is $200,000 and this is $300,000 and this one is $1 million. Ở đây là 1 triệu đô, cho nên cái này sẽ là the most expensive. Understand? Just write down this one. The yellow car is the most expensive in those cars. Okay, really good. Next one.
On the contrary, the orange car has the price at $200,000.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, the red car is $300,000, and the yellow car is $1 million. So that means the orange car is the least expensive one.
You can see the orange car is $200,000. So this is the least expensive in those cars. Thì còn thấy cái chiếc xe này chỉ có 200.000 thôi, 200.000 đô thôi, cho nên so với lại 300.000 đô bên này và 1 triệu đô của chiếc yellow car, như speaker đã nói, thì mình sẽ có cái header là the least, là so sánh cái ít nhất, the least expensive, ít đắt nhất, the least expensive in those cars. Okay, well done boys and girls, you are so intelligent. Okay, understand? This one here. And this one.
Let's see how the comparative form and the superlative form work with adjectives that have only one syllable. For the comparative form, when the adjective has only one syllable, we write the adjective again and add er to the adjective. For the superlative form, we add the before the adjective and write the adjective that following by est.
Okay, như cái speaker đã nói thì mình có adjectives with one syllable, một âm tiết, thì mình sẽ làm như thế nào? Với so sánh hơn, comparative form, we use adjective và đuôi hay là er đó, er trong cái phần mà ta nói, er, nhớ thêm đuôi er nha, và phải có như thầy nói thì comparative form bắt buộc phải có gì? Có than, nhớ điều đó, có than nhé, và and the adjective est hay còn gọi là est thì nó sẽ là so sánh nhất. Okay, the adjective est. Very good. Thì con đã hiểu chưa nào? Và bây giờ, so let's see some examples.
Example: this green car is $200,000, and the red car is $300,000. So the green car is cheaper than the red car.
Okay, as you can see on the screen here, $200,000 for the green car and $300,000 for the red car. So this green car is cheaper than that red car. Cái xe màu xanh này thì rẻ hơn là cái xe màu đỏ này. Và tụi con thấy từ cheap nó chỉ có one syllable. Cheap, okay? Cheap chỉ có one syllable thôi, cho nên mình sẽ thêm đuôi và so sánh hơn và phải có than. Cheaper than. Okay? Let's write down this one. Really good. Next one.
Next example. This feather is softer than the bee.
This feather is softer than the bee. This feather is softer than the bee. Ở đây thì con thấy cho feather. Feather là gì? Là cái lông vũ này nè. Feather là feather, ok? Thì nó sẽ soft. Nó sẽ soft, mềm. mềm, nhưng mà trong trường hợp này thì cái này nó sẽ là softer. Thêm đuôi ơ vào thì nó sẽ là mềm hơn. Ok, thêm đuôi ơ vào sẽ là mềm hơn cái the beam là cái ánh sáng ngang này nè. Ok, this feather is softer than the beam. Okay, understand? Really good.
Next example. This feather is softer than the beam. The adjective est.
Okay, so how can we use the adjective and est? E-S-T, okay? Let's see.
On the screen, there are three objects. The stone is hard, but the beam is harder. So the feather is the softest.
Okay, as you can see on the screen here, the stone is hard. Này là gì? Là cứng. Và the beam is harder, cứng hơn. Đúng không? It means this one, the feather, is the softest in those objects. Thì cái lông mẫu này sẽ là cái softest, là cái mềm nhất ở trong ba cái này. Trong ba cái này thì the feather là cái mềm nhất. The feather is the softest in those objects. Ok, đây mình với cái từ này soft là một tiết thì mình sẽ không có dùng gọi là the most soft, không có được, mình phải dùng softest, do est here. Really nice. Yeah, let's move to the next part.
Let's compare the objects.
Compare the objects. That's your part.
This part you have 5 seconds to think of the answers, and then tell me.
Okay, you have 5 seconds to think of the answer, and then tell me. Chúng ta sẽ có 5 giây để suy nghĩ về đáp án, and then answer it. Tell me the answer. Và nói cho thầy biết cái đáp án là gì. Let's start. Expensive. As you can see, this is an airplane and this is a car. So which one is more expensive? Just write down the answer, then tell me. Let's see the answer. Yes, really nice. The airplane is more expensive than the car.
Let's see the answer. The airplane is more expensive than the car.
The airplane is more expensive than the car.
The airplane is more expensive than the car.
Really good. Next one. How about this one? Who is more beautiful? The beast or the beauty? Or the princess? So have you got the answer, guys? Let's see. The beast is less beautiful than the beauty.
The beast is less beautiful than the beauty.
Yes, the beast is here.
The beast is less beautiful than the beauty.
No, less beautiful than the beauty here. And the beauty is more beautiful than the beast. You can write down the answer. Two ways to write. Good job, boys, girls. This one. But this one, hands up. Where are you? Why don't you give me the answer?
The man on the left is more handsome than the old man.
Yes, the man on the left is more handsome than the old man.
The man on the left is more handsome than the old man.
The man on the left is more handsome than the old man. The old man, okay? The old man here. Really nice. Next one, how about happy? The answer will appear here. The girl is less happy than the boy.
The girl is less happy than the boy.
The girl is here, boy.
The girl is less happy than the boy.
And the girl is less happy than the boy. Very good. Next one. Modern. We have only an object. Nothing more. Use your critical thinking. Where is the smartest boy? And where is the smartest girl? Let's see the answer. This is the most modern airport in the world.
This is the most modern airpod in the world.
Yes, you can see only one object on the screen, nothing more.
This is the most modern airpod in the world.
So, nothing is more modern than this airport. Only one. And this is the most modern airport in the world. Most modern. Good job. Well done. Yeah, let's move to the next part.
Good job. Now to make sure all of you get the ideas of the lesson, we work with more examples.
Rồi, để con hiểu hơn. Thì mình sẽ làm việc với những cái ví dụ khác nữa, thêm một số cái ví dụ nữa. Xem thử nha.
To help you understand the lesson more easily, I will use loop. Look at the black circle inside the loop. I will ask you some questions. Just give your answers with the pictures at which the yellow circle stops.
Ok, tụi con sẽ trả lời những câu hỏi trong cái circle, trong cái big circle này, và trong đó sẽ có một cái black circle ở đây, có nghĩa là nó cái hình tròn màu đen. Thì con sẽ tới đâu thì con sẽ trả lời tới đó. Is it okay? Let's start.
Is it more expensive than the ring? Is it more expensive than the ring? Yes or no?
Is it more expensive than the ring? Is it more expensive than the ring? Yes or no? Here, this one. The speaker wants to ask you about this one. This one. Diamond. Is it more expensive than the ring? Yes or no? Just give me the answer. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Time is up. Okay.
Is he more handsome than you? Is he more handsome than you?
This one? Let's see the previous answer, okay? So is it more expensive than the ring? As I told you before, the diamond is really expensive. So it must be, yes, it is. Yes, it is. It is more expensive than the ring. It is more expensive than the ring. Nó phải đắt hơn cái nhẫn là chắc chắn rồi ha. Next one.
Is it more expensive than the ring? Is it more expensive than the ring? Yes. Is he more handsome than you? Is he more handsome than you?
Oh, is he more handsome than you? Than you? Is he more handsome than you? Có đẹp trai hơn bạn không? Yes or no? You have your wrong answer. Thì con sẽ có cái đáp án riêng của mình và thì con sẽ trả lời nhé. Is he more handsome than you? When you say yes, yes he is. When you say no, no he isn't. He isn't more handsome than me. Yes, he is. He is more handsome than me. This one.
Is it harder than the ring? Is it harder than the ring?
Yes, is it harder than the ring? Is it harder than the ring? This one. Is it harder than the ring? Yeah. Is it harder than the ring? Yeah. Các bạn thấy không? Ở chỗ này thì cái này nó cứng hơn cái này. Có phải nó cứng hơn cái này không? And the answer is yes, it is. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Yes, it is. It is harder than the ring. Is it okay? Let's go.
Is it more comfortable than your bed? Is it more comfortable than your bed?
Whoa. Is it more comfortable than your bed? Is it more comfortable than your bed? More comfortable than your bed. Not anyone's bed, okay? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. It's based on you. Nó dựa vào tụi con ha. Cho nên là đáp án là chính tụi con. Tụi con hãy trả lời theo cách của mình. This one.
Is it softer than the bed? Is it softer than the bed?
Is it softer than the bed? Is it softer than the bed? This one. Is it softer than the bed? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. And remember to lengthen the sentence. Yes, it is. No, yes, it is, okay? But yes, it is. It is softer than the bed. Understand? All right.
Is it harder than the beam? Is it harder than the beam?
Yes. Is it harder than the beam? This one? Harder than this one? Is it correct or incorrect? No, it isn't, right? It isn't harder than the beam. The beam is much harder. This one, the stick, okay? This one.
Is it more modern than your house? Is it more modern than your house?
Is it more modern than your house? Is it more modern than your house? This one, the airport. The airport, which we discussed before. It is more modern than your house. Yes, it is. It is more modern than your house. Yes, it is. It is more modern than your house. The reason is that you can't just build a high-end building like this. Okay. Next one.
Is it more beautiful than the diamond?
This one.
Is it more beautiful than the diamond?
Is it more beautiful than a diamond? Is it more beautiful than a diamond? This one is more beautiful than this one. Is it right? Is it correct? No, no, it isn't. It isn't more beautiful than the diamond. Good job.
Is it cheaper than the ring? Is it cheaper than the ring?
Is it cheaper than the ring? Is it cheaper than the ring? This one? And the answer is no, it isn't. It isn't. This one is expensive. This one is cheap. So this one is more expensive than this one, the ring. Okay.
Is it the hardest?
Is it the hardest?
Is it the hardest?
Is it the hardest? Cái này có phải cái cứng nhất không? Is it the hardest? You can compare. To these objects here. Yes, it is. It is the hardest one. You can even build a house with this, with the beam. Okay, with the beam.
Is it the softest?
Wow, is it the softest?
Is it the softest?
Is it the softest? Is it the softest? Is it the softest? Cái này có phải là cái mềm nhất không nào? Đây này, đây là chấm đen không? Cái này có phải cái mềm nhất không? Yes, it is. It is the softest. It is the softest. I can line it.
Is it the most modern? Is it the most modern?
Is it the most modern? Is it the most modern? Is it the most modern? This one? Is it the most modern? Yes, it is. It is the most modern one. Okay.
Is it the most expensive?
Is it the
Is
most,
it the most expensive?
Is it the most expensive? Is it the most expensive? Is it the most expensive? Có phải cái đắt nhất không nào? This one, this ring. So as far as we know, this is not the most expensive, but this one is the most expensive. And this one is the cheapest. Okay. Really nice. Good job.
Is it the least beautiful? Is it the least beautiful?
Is it the least beautiful? Is it the least beautiful? Yes, it is. No, oh no, it isn't. Yes, absolutely. It is the least beautiful. Oh no, no. Remember least beautiful here. Cái mà ít đẹp nhất. Nhưng mà không phải. This is the most beautiful. From the previous question, this is the most beautiful, not the least. Okay?
Is it the most comfortable?
Yes.
Is it the most comfortable?
Is it the most comfortable? Is it the most comfortable? Okay. Is it? For me, it's yes. Yes, it is. It is the most comfortable one for me. But how about you? Is it the most comfortable? Okay, next. Let's move to the next
In the
part.
following part, we will look at the boy and the girl speak English. Why don't we join the activity with them?
Yes, practice. Trong cái phần sau thì nó sẽ rất là thú vị. Và tại sao chúng ta lại không tham gia nhỉ? Let's go. Development. So, in this part, there will be a question on the screen, and you have to answer the question in some seconds. I give you some seconds to think of the answer. And you have to think, boost your critical thinking, and you will be a professional in speaking or in studying English. Thì con sẽ có một câu hỏi ở trên cái màn hình, thì con sẽ trả lời câu hỏi đó, và tụi con sẽ sau này nếu mà tụi con có thể suy nghĩ được thì tụi con sẽ trở thành một chuyên gia về tiếng Anh luôn. Ok, let's go.
What is more expensive?
What is more expensive? What is more expensive? Let's think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The time is up. So what is more expensive? Let's see.
The diamond is more expensive than the ring.
Yes, the diamond is more expensive than the ring. The diamond is more expensive than the ring here. Really good. Next one.
What is the cheapest?
What is the cheapest? What is the cheapest? What is the cheapest in these objects? This one? This one? No? This one? This one is a word. Nó là động từ, không thể nào là cheapest. Okay? This one? No. This one? Let's see the answer. Yes, the sofa is the cheapest. Sofa is the cheapest.
sofa is the cheapest.
The sofa is the cheapest. Okay? This one.
What is the most expensive?
What is the most expensive? What is the most expensive? What is the most expensive? This one, this bed is the most expensive. No. Which one? Which one is the most expensive one? These subjects. Lesson. Yes. Really good.
The diamond is the most expensive.
The diamond is the most expensive. The diamond is the most expensive. The diamond is the most expensive. Đây là cái đẹp nhất luôn, đúng rồi ha. It's beautiful. Well done, boys and girls. Next one.
What is more comfortable?
What is more comfortable? What is more comfortable? What is more comfortable? You know that the difficulty will be raised cái độ khó sẽ tăng lên ha. What is more comfortable? Just think. Let's think. This one or this one? Yes. Let's see the answer. Yeah, the sofa is more comfortable than the bed.
The sofa is more comfortable than the bed.
The sofa is more comfortable than the bed. For me, the bed is more comfortable. The bed is more comfortable, not the sofa. But for you, I think that's the sofa. Okay? Well done, boys and girls. How good you are. Let's listen to some music.
Now, we will relax with some catchy music.
Listening 41. Listen and sing. Saturday was the best of all.
Monday was bad, I lost my hat. Tuesday was worse, I broke my bat. Wednesday was the worst of all. I bumped my head on the classroom wall. Thursday was good, I did well at school. Friday was better, I went swimming at the pool. But Saturday...
Books of gold, the legends and the myths. Achilles and his gold, Achilles and his gifts. Spider-Man's control, Batman knew his fists. Clearly, I don't see myself alone in this. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Just like this. I want something just like this. I want something just like this.
Okay, so before
Last but not least, don't forget to do your homework.
Yes, don't forget to do your homework. Before we finish this lesson, I need to remind you something.
Homework, copy 8 words in Ace's notebook. Make 8 statements and answers.
Okay, copy 8 words in ACE's notebook. Thì con sẽ copy 8 cái từ trong cái cuốn ACE's notebook. Nhớ nha. Và make 8 statements and answers. Và tạo 5 cái câu để ta trả lời những cái câu hỏi đó. Ví dụ như what is more expensive hay là what is more comfortable. What is more comfortable? What is this? What is that? Và tự trả lời những câu hỏi đó cho thầy. Okay, well done, boys. And
remember to spread the knowledge that you have received from the lesson. Thank you for your cooperation. My kids.
Cảm ơn tụi con nha. Cảm ơn tụi con đã theo dõi và đã hợp tác để xem cái video này. Và tụi con hãy spread the knowledge that you have received from the lesson. Tụi con hãy lan tỏa những cái kiến thức mà tụi con học được từ cái bài này. Okay, my name is Mr. Jack. Thank you so much and goodbye. See you again in the next lesson. Goodbye.